Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do an update here for Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic right now is trading at $32.41. Taking a quick snapshot of the weekly time frame hasn't really changed that much. We are kind of trading above the body itself, so it does show us a lot of bullish momentum. The RSI is at 82%, but it still looks very, very strong. So really good outlook here for the long term for Ethereum Classic. We do see the histograms kind of gaining in power, and the RSI is above our zero signal line, which again does kind of show us more significant bullish pressure. We are still waiting out on this golden cross here and seeing how this plays out, but it does look very positive. We're going to see a crossover possibly in the next couple of days going into next week, and then we're going to observe closely here for Ethereum Classic. Again, that person that did message $200 for Ethereum Classic, let's kind of follow it and see if it does, because that would be insane. That would be very, very crazy. But taking a look at the daily time frame here, we were kind of talking about how possibly Ethereum Classic could be consolidating once again. We kind of did see a breakout from that area of resistance, but now we're kind of dancing on the resistance line here of $32.11. So we're not quite seeing that push that ideally we wanted to see once we broke through the area of resistance that we normally see. But at least here that we are still in our ascending channel, because we need to be able to, come up and create a lot of higher highs, whereas the price here is kind of staying around the resistance line. That does show us that the bullish are a little bit hesitant in pushing the price even more. So it does show us that possible investors that are taking a look at Ethereum Classic is just kind of waiting to see as to where the market's going to go here. In terms of the MACD indicator, again, we are still above zero, which does show positive trajectory in the long term for our daily time frame. We do see these histograms getting smaller in size, and we do see them getting lighter in color. So we may see the price kind of come back into this consolidation range, anywhere from $27 to the $32.11. Ideally, we do want to keep above the $30 because that is our trend line itself, and that is going to keep us or give us that signal of the long-term bullish trend. When we take a look at the RSI here, we do see it at 69%, but we also know for Ethereum Classic, it won't be considered as overbought until hitting the high 70s to the high 80s itself. So we may see the RSI come up depending if the bulls want to make another play here, and we see the momentum and the volume kind of come up as well. Going into the immediate short term for 4 hours, this kind of like it's still kind of up in the air for our double bottom chart pattern. Again, we were just kind of playing this out to see if the price was going to break out, but it came down to support and kind of almost broke support as well. We can see that is hugging closer to the 20 moving average. We may see another attempt to come up and hit this area of support at $32.65. We may see that depending on a few factors. Again, one, we do need the volume to pick up. Two, we need to see this crossover for the RSI to gain in momentum. We also need to see that crossover from our RSI and our signal line in order to kind of show us we may potentially come up and retest this area of resistance. We have seen it so far in this 4-hour time frame. The only thing that we do see is the momentum. The momentum's coming down in terms of our MACD indicator. This may be a very small ride of our bears. Keep in mind the RSI is above our zero signal line here for our MACD indicator, so it does still show that bullish trend in the 4-hour time frame. So we may see a slight pullback given the momentum factors of our MACD indicator. We want to make sure we do keep above the $31.30. And if you guys take a look already on the chart itself, this is going to be a major interest and major area to take a look at. Not only is this an area of support that we're taking a look at, but it's also around our 20 moving average, because a break below our 20 moving average in the short term, immediate short term for 4 hours, it is going to give us that break below and retest the 50 moving average. So it may see a reversal point in this 4-hour time frame. So this is the key area that we need to be watching in the next couple of hours to come. If Ethereum Classic is able to hold up to this area of support, then we may retest the 32.65 coming up to the 33.50. That's going to be our high point. But let me know what you guys think about Ethereum Classic down in the comments. Like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.